Hello everyone, this is Kanjal Jain, a BE graduate from KJSIT Sion, Mumbai in the year 1920 in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. Today it's an honor and privilege for me to get a chance to thank my teachers, my faculty members, my mentors, my project guides, lab assistants, friends who have helped me throughout my curriculum. At the very beginning, I was very confused about which field to choose and which to not. I still remember the day I entered the institute and the day I left. It's totally complete changed me now. But at start, I was confused on where to step, what to actually explore. But due to my good faculties, they encouraged me, they knew my interest, my intellect, my grasping power, and they very soon found my interest in RF and microwave engineering. The faculty feedback conducted, the suggestion asked for the betterment of the institute, of the department, really encourages us. There are many short-term training programs conducted, student development program, FDPs, that is faculty development programs. They are actually to build the gap between our curriculums and our industries, what is actually going on. I I was given a chance by my project guide as well to conduct a seminar on the topic I have been learned from this normal programs. Not only students but also parents are involved in the students' curriculum, like by conducting PTMs every 6 months, every year, twice or thrice maybe, to know their children's performance, betterments in the curriculum, to improve their children's basically. A particular group of 20 students is being assigned to a proctor who looks after their achievements, their strength, weakness, and the problems faced in the institute and are taken into consideration. The mini projects given in the second year, from second year as well, were really effective, which provided a better and efficient DE projects. In fact, I too had an opportunity, a chance to work on a live project in Nehru Science Center, Mumbai. There are many technical committees, clubs, teams formed to get a hands-on knowledge on the subjects, on the theoretical subjects we are learning in our curriculum, and these committees are insisted by our faculty members to join. There are many non-technical committees as well. I grabbed a lifetime opportunity to work in college space committee and visit and attend a competition in liquid propulsion space system Kerala ISRO and had won it. These committees inculcate a leadership qualities, management skills, finance skills, communication skills a lot. Our HOD's support to explore ourselves and our talents in each and every field is really impeccable. Not only her, but all my faculty members as well have helped me for the same. They motivated me to get into various competitions, to attend all the job opportunities possible, and hence by their grace, by their help and the motivation, I got placed in TCS as well. My project guys always insisted me and encouraged me to get into the research field and answer all my doubts and solutions and find me a solution, or actually to reach me towards a solution without any hesitation, anytime, anywhere. Not only my project guide but also the various alumni interactions which led me to my better understanding of my research every time. All the time, or every many a times, there were opportunities in the field of science and technology. We all Somayans were mailed through our principal sir regarding the competitions conducted, lectures, seminars, webinars. In today's world, it becomes an important to have a good communication skill to present yourself crystal clear, where the competition is tough. So various communication lectures, presentation, business communication lectures were also conducted, which helped me a lot. There are many different courses like NPTEL, Coursera, many online internship opportunities from Internshala were provided by our college. our faculties not only just inculcated us into the teaching part, but they also took us for one day or multiple days IVs as well, to intend a good practical knowledge about the subjects and to make us observe the subjects very in a deep sense. There are two festivals conducted in college in even an odd sem. Renaissance, named as our technical fest, and Surge, named as our cultural fest. We all were actually encouraged by all our faculty to showcase our talents backstage, on stage, to showcase our talents in every way possible. I still recall the day I participated in a dance competition with my team. That's in my final year, and we won it. At the end, I would like to thank my respected teaching, non-teaching staffs who cooperated with us for our overall development at each and every stage possible, whether it be late night premises in the college, our security, hygiene of our workplaces, and much more. I really fall short of words to appreciate the efforts took by Institute for me and for my betterment. A great thanks to all. Thank you.